Hey, what's up, Olympia? Thank you for the question. You said, can I teach you how step by step because you don't know where to start? I got you. Listen, just go to the link in my bio, click on that link, and give me your best email address. Take a look at the videos that you see there. And once you look at the very first video, go to the next video. And after you look at that video, look at the information that's on that third page, right? Take a look at all the programs that we have to offer. We have 4 different programs. We have the $100 program, the $300 program, the $600 program, and the $900 program. All of those programs come with payment plans, right? I got on at the $300 payment plan. I always say that. But whenever you get into your program, it's going to show you literally step by step. It's going to be videos that's going to walk you through setting your business up, marketing your business. And if you have any questions when you're doing that, you can always reach out to me. And because we probably are on different time zones, because I do live out of the country, you can always go in the community where we have 25,000 other people. You can ask the questions that you have, and they'll be more than happy to assist you as well. So you got help all around. You just got to get into the program, follow those step-by-step videos, and you'll see that it's not that hard at all. If you got any other questions, shoot me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if anybody else seeing this video, I'm not putting no hashtags on this. This is not marked directed at nobody in particular but Olympia. But if you see this and you're looking for a way to make you some extra money, over the past 8 days, I've been able to make $2,200 from following a program as a complete newbie. Drop me a 1 and I'll get you more information on this, or you can just go to the link in my bio, give me your best email address, take a look at the information, and shoot me any questions you got. Remember, things in your life will never ever change if you don't first change. Peace, love, and positive vibes. You be great.